we've marked out the damage. We're now ready to get out my favourite tool, the old slapstick and the dolly. This dolly, as always, same theory as before, same shape as the panel. It's the same radius as the panel. I'm going to go in behind, start here at the bottom because that's the deepest part of it, and what it's called is reversing the damage. I don't want to try it, even though it's hollow from here to here, I don't want to bring all this up together. I want to go, the rule of panel beating or dent repair is to go straight in and reverse the damage. Where the damage went in, that's where you want to take it out. By bringing this deeper piece out, the rest of this panel will follow and go back into shape. So the dolly's behind it, same as before. I'll go looking for it by just tapping gently. Hear the ping, ping, ping. That's where the dolly is. It's right there on the edge. I want it where the deepest part is to start. Right on there. So just holding it and dropping the slapstick down onto the dolly. See? And up it comes. And just to prove that any DIY can do that at home, I'm going to give the slapstick to my buddy Marco and the dolly, and I'm going to film him. So Mark's going to come in, and this is not quite so deep, this dent from here to here, so he's going to come in with the dolly behind it, have a little tap about, yep, go in there, tap where you think the dolly might be, Marcus, go all around that area, keep trying bud, go a bit high, you might be high, might be low, there it is, ping, ping, ping. So now you're right there in the middle, so drop your dolly down just a little bit. To start at the bottom there.
Yeah?
Yep. Now turn your slapstick round to the side and just drop that on top of it, mate. Oh, that sounds beautiful. A little bit more aggressive. Hold it a bit firmer. It's coming up in there. And up to the top. Slide it up with the dolly. Bit harder, Mark. Hard work, eh?
Yep.
That's cool, mate. Takes practice, eh? So there you go. Mark's come in there and he's raised that bit right in the middle. We're not going to stand here all day watching Mark do this hard work, but yeah, he started there and it's going to teach him to carry on and follow that up through. So that's Resto Lab for now.